Hi friends, today we're going to talk about hand poses drawing step by step. When drawing hand poses, it is helpful to break it down into basic steps. Start with the basic shape for the palm, which can be a square or a rectangle. This will serve as the foundation for the hand. Then add lines for each finger. Pay attention to the length and proportions. Remember that the middle finger is typically the longest. Define the joints of each finger. Consider where the knuckles and joints are located. This adds structure and realism to the hand. Determine the position of the thumb. It usually connects to the palm at the base of the index finger. Be mindful of its length and angle. Refine the fingers by adding curves for a more natural look. Avoid making them too straight. Observe the natural curves when forming the hand pose. Add details like fingernails, wrinkles, and the webbing between the fingers. These subtleties enhance the realism of your hand drawing. Apply shading to give your hand depth and dimension. Consider the light source and shade accordingly, emphasizing areas where shadows naturally fall. Experiment with different hand poses to improve your skills. Practice drawing hands in various positions to become more comfortable with different gestures. Remember, practice is key when it comes to drawing hands. Don't hesitate to study real hands or use references to enhance your understanding of hand anatomy and movement.